What if Tesla no longer relied on Nvidia for its AI breakthroughs? What if Elon Musk's in-house AI chips became the foundation of self-driving cars, humanoid robots, and even Tesla-powered data centers? And most importantly, could Tesla's AI5 and AI6 chips mark the biggest turning point in the global AI race? Stay with me, because in this video, we uncover Tesla's chip master plan, its potential impact on Nvidia, and what it could mean for the future of autonomous driving and robotics. Before we dive in, no matter where you live in the world, if you want sharp updates on global tech, AI, and stock predictions, hit subscribe now and join our community. Let's continue. According to Star Market Daily and reports from Times of India and Teslarati, Tesla has been working intensively on its AI5 chip. Elon Musk recently confirmed that the design review was a success. He called the AI5 chip epic and hinted that the AI6 successor could become the most advanced AI chip in the world. But what does that mean? The AI5 chip is designed for specific inference tasks, optimized for AI models under 250 billion parameters. Think of it as Tesla's bridge chip, a transition from today's technology towards something much bigger, and production is already on the horizon. The AI5 will be manufactured by TSMC, with mass production expected by late 2026. If the AI5 is the bridge, the AI6 is the destination. This chip will be Tesla's core AI engine, expected to power the upcoming Cybercab Robotaxi fleet and the Optimus humanoid robot. But Tesla's ambitions don't stop there. Reports suggest the AI6 will also extend to AI data centers, reducing Tesla's dependence on Nvidia's H100 and B200 GPUs. In fact, early prototypes of the AI6 are being developed with Samsung Electronics Foundry in South Korea. Later, production will shift to Samsung's Advanced Taylor plant in Texas, bringing the project closer to Tesla's US operations. You might wonder, why would Tesla take such a risky step? Well, the answer lies in independence and control. Tesla's self-driving vision, it really requires enormous computing power. Relying on outside suppliers like Nvidia creates bottlenecks, costs, and even some geopolitical risks. By owning the chip design, Tesla gains a few key advantages. Customization, meaning chips built exactly for autonomous driving and robotics. Scalability, the ability to produce in huge volumes without supply constraints. And cost efficiency, which reduces billions in long-term expenses. Remember, Tesla actually suspended its Dojo chip design earlier this year. That was a pivot. Now Musk is focusing on a single unified architecture, a bold but potentially game-changing strategy. For years, Tesla has relied on Nvidia GPUs for its AI training. But what happens if Tesla successfully launches the AI6? We could see a direct rivalry, Tesla versus Nvidia in the AI chip market. Nvidia dominates AI with its H100 and B200 chips, which are, essential for training massive AI models. But Tesla doesn't need to compete everywhere. It only needs to win in autonomous driving and robotics, where its chips are laser-focused. This could really mirror Apple's shift from Intel to its own silicon, a move that honestly shocked the industry. Could Tesla repeat that story in AI? Tesla's chip plans aren't just about faster cars. They're about building a self-sustaining AI ecosystem. The Cybercab Robotaxi fleet will rely on AI6 chips for full autonomy. The Optimus humanoid robot will need AI chips to handle real-world navigation and interaction. And Tesla could build AI supercomputers powered by AI6, turning itself into not just a car maker, but a full AI powerhouse. In short, Tesla is betting on chips to transform itself into the Nvidia of mobility and robotics. Of course, this path is not without risk. Chip design is notoriously difficult. Even tech giants like Google and Amazon still rely heavily on Nvidia. Tesla will need to overcome manufacturing hurdles, supply chain dependencies, and real-world reliability tests. And if mass production is delayed, it could hurt Tesla's AI ambitions. Still, Elon Musk is no stranger to high-risk bets, and history shows sometimes those bets pay off. So here's the question. If Tesla succeeds, will it truly break free from Nvidia and redefine the AI chip landscape? Or will this ambitious project face the same obstacles that have stopped so many before it? One thing is certain, the AI chip war is only just beginning. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech documentaries. Until next time, stay curious.